Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain how inbound call context work in Sigma Mind AI and how you can use it to personalize inbound call in real time. Outbound calls are simple because we already know who we are calling. We have the phone number, customer detail and all the context upfront. So we can send everything directly to the agent before the call start. But inbound calls are different. So here the caller initiate the call and we don't have any context in advance. So we don't know who is calling until the call actually arrived. So this is exactly the problem that inbound call context solves. When an inbound call comes into Sigma Mind AI, the call first stays in a ringing state. At the same time, Sigma Mind send a post request to your system using an inbound webhook. This request contains the caller detail like the phone number. While the call continues ringing, Sigma Mind wait for your system to respond. Your system can then return dynamic variable that add context to the call. Once Sigma Mind receive this response, the call is connected to the AI agent with the context included. Now, let's look at how to configure this. In the Sigma Mind dashboard, go to the phone number section and under the inbound call settings, here you set your inbound webhook URL and select the AI agent you want to handle inbound call. So this work for both purchased and imported phone number. Next, let's walk through a simple real world example using Anytin. So in this example, I am using an Anytin workflow connected to a Google Sheet that map phone number to a customer name. The goal is simple. When a known caller is calling, we identify them and pass their name to the AI agent in real time. So this workflow start with a webhook node in Anytin. So this webhook is triggered as soon as Sigma Mind send the inbound call request. The request include the caller's phone number. At this point, the call is still ringing while Anytin process the data. So this webhook URL I have used here. So here, make sure you have selected this node using respond to webhook node. Now the workflow moves to a Google Sheet node. Here we look up for the caller's phone number in the Google Sheet. We match the incoming phone number with the phone number column in the sheet. If the number exists, we fetch the corresponding customer name linked to that phone number. Next, we use a set node to format the response. In this step, we convert the data into exact JSON format that Sigma Mind expect. We wrap up the customer name inside a dynamic variable object, for example, passing a variable called customer name. This is what allow the AI agent to personalize the conversation. Finally, we go to the respond to webhook node. This node send the formatted JSON response back to Sigma Mind AI. Once Sigma Mind receive this response, it connect the call to the AI agent with the added context. If no response is received, it retries up to 3 times. If all the retries fail, the call is disconnected and not routed to the agent. So to summarize this, the inbound call context in Sigma Mind AI let you add real-time context to inbound call, personalize conversation using dynamic variable, and give you full control over inbound call behavior. So that's how inbound call context work in Sigma Mind AI. Try it out.